Yo, what up, guys? So today there is a modded version of Animal Company, and this version of Animal Company has you get every single item in the game, infinite money, but the cosmetics sadly don't work, and you get a random outfit. So, and you're in the winter update, which is like the most loved update in the game. And there's Christmas presents like later around the entire map and stuff. And I will help you how to get this game. So first you wanna go to your Meta Horizon store. I was reviewing that stupid game. Then you wanna look up H4K tag. H4K tag it's called. You get this game. It has 3 stars and it has this lazy cover. After you download the game, you enter it. See? It's Animal Company. And you're in the Tech Tree update, and it's winter. Look at that! Look at this, bro. This is sick! See? It's loading everything, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. Look at this. Laggy F and loud. So.
Oh, wait. Bro, you could cook an egg on my headset right now, bro.
Join my fan code MLB, and there's snowballs everywhere. See, the mouth features don't work. Get a random name. What's my name, for example? Oh, this doesn't work. See, you get infinite money. We know that, this way it looks like you don't have anything in the game, but if you look there's a secret button, now you have every single item in the game. Look at this. For bags, you even get some of the rarer bags. Heart quiver, I just got that for some reason. Wait, why is this thing glitching? Every single weapon in the game. Okay, guys. Okay. Get every single item in the game. How much choice are there? Yeah, you get all these items. Wait, let me. Yeah, and you get infinite of everything. Cosmetics currently don't work. You just get a random outfit. Like I got a cat head, shirt, and skeleton arms guy. Look at this. The tech tree does work. See, I'm just gonna get everything really quick. Look at that, guys! I'm about to get every single item in the game for real, for real. Look at all this stuff. What's the rarest thing in? Oh yeah, the shotgun wasn't a thing. I'm just gonna I'll go ahead and buy everything. Unlocked. Wait, why does it? That stuff. For some reason, the glitch with that. Probably because you just get everything in the game right off the bat. That's just to make you look rich. Codes do work as well. Snowballs work. They also had jobs. Yeah, you could do like jobs and stuff. You could get like jobs and then get company coins. Wait, imagine if that was an ice cream. The water looks so freaking different, bro. Oh wait, it's froze. Finally, I can play old Animal Company. We all know the new map sucks in the Animal Company. So why not go back to it? And the winter update is way better anyway, so get a better version of it. You're in the most loved update, and some things weren't here yet, but things that used to be there were like the jobs. So yeah. Wait, there's also a Discord for this game? I'm gotta join that. Oh, what's the just the Animal Company Discord. At least the guys representing Animal Company in this game. Dad sewers. Wait, what if I try to sell a stick? Wait, oh, I'm okay, curious. What the hell? What the hell would happen if I tried to sell a stick? I'm sure you could actually get cosmetics in this game and stuff. Hope it's worth like 1 quintillion or something like that. So if you press the button right here. Wait, why didn't it work? Oh, now it works. Wait, why don't I see every single bag in the game? Got that bag. Let me just take that. Gonna need a grappler. The grappler sound, I love that OG sound. Oh yeah, finally I can grapple onto metal. Wait, don't you have hip slots unlocked? Oh, you don't. Frick. Crap, I've gotta buy a shotgun. And let me just buy some ammo. But this game is sick. Okay, so should be cooldown. Yeah, I get infinite money in this game. Look at this, guys. This is such a freaking old update of Animal Company. You don't need a light really in sewers. I'm gonna do sewers run. Look at this, guys. Oh, you're lucky. Oh yeah, this was also when silver crates were in the game. Wait. Oh yeah, that is a silver crate. Wait, why isn't there that much mobs? Okay, I'm curious. I'm not going to that part because I hate it. God. No, I died, guys. I died. Hate you, red light, green light. Frick you. Wait, why? Oh, that might help you. Look at this. I'm a cat. The computer does work, as you see. Oh yeah, happy holidays. Love Christmas, guys. Oh, for some reason the promo codes don't work. Oh yeah, the snow thing also existed. bomb! Put it in container because I kind of modded it. Let me just take a bag. Oh, I'm gonna take a large bag of RPGs. So you get infinite money. Oh my god, my stupid RPG is stuck in the ground. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go into a code and like, I'm gonna lower my volume because, yeah, it's that loud. Oh, that was quick enough. Look at this, guys. It's so... My headset literally almost auto turned off.
No, get the hell off
Look at this.
No, get the
Now that's
hell off the game. That was on accident. You're shooting like a little...
Stop using that, you stupid dog! Hell.
Guy, that was on camera.
Hey, yo.
Guy, that was on accident. Hey, Happy wasn't on accident.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This feels like World War III, but it's just me.
Baby.
Bro, my game is being really... Cap another public code, but even worse.
That was on accident. That was on accident.
I'm like a termite. Wait, bro, I'm gonna go do... Throw away that stupid thing. Let me just bring some ammo for a revolver. Oh, that's actually, I think that you could actually get some photos. This is why snowballs are rare, because when we drop them, they change update. Red fucking not. You just download it, it's completely free. What if I use another one? Oh, that's a trick. Then I'm going to take 2 revolvers. At least it's automatically down for you, so you don't have to, oh yeah, how about this? I shoot myself. Yeah, I'm American, guys. Okay, roll the clip. Wait, oh no. My fellow Americans, you don't know what's gonna happen, so let's just skip to the end. Wait, it charges you for nothing. You know what? I'll just use only. Let's just bring a pickaxe. Also got my handy gun just in case someone tries to take my present. Come on, it's Christmas, man. Nope, don't need that. Let's just skip to the end. That's PLV World War III in the longest. Oh my god. Where's my Christmas present? Where's my Christmas present? Turkeys, did you have anything to do with this? And it looked like the bin. My fellow Americans. We don't know what's gonna happen, so let's just skip to the end. My fellow Americans. Oh crap, let me just hide. Killed it. See what this stupid box out on. Oh, a lance, nice. And another. Oh, hard gun, nice. Bro, I'm low-key just playing Animal Company, but if in the winter update and in modded Animal Company, so yeah. Wish I could convert all this stuff to Animal Company. You guys. Wait, oh yeah, we can get the Steve's Lava Chicken, and it's probably tasty. Attack! Yeah, take that stupid chicken. Wait, that's a silver. That probably just made a 90% of you. Hey, man. Oh my god. My perfect egg. Katrina. Let me just shoot. Bye-bye, stupid bag. You stupid ogre. There's an echo. There's the fact that this is a game band. It's even crazy. Oh my god, this stupid ogre. The turn. Oh, damn. Damn it. Fuck. Damn, that's ugly as hell. Let's see how much our snowball is worth, and then how much. You really thought I was gonna do that? That'd be so painful to low-key. So freaking painful. Sorry. Oh, I love that sound effect. The Animal Company should have kept it low-key, to be honest. But, oh yeah, I should buy a bag. Wait, how much is a snowball worth? I'm looking seriously now. Snowballs are worth only one barrel. That's actually crazy. Wait, what if I collected 100 snowballs then? Guys, so this is an awesome game. I recommend you download it if you're an Animal Company player. This video gets to 1K likes, I will show you that if this video gets to let's say 100K likes, yeah, 100K likes, I will try to sneak in my VR into camp, like summer camp. So yeah, guys. Then if this video hits 200K, then I'll try to sneak it into military school. Just kidding, I'm not having any military school because I'm a good boy. Oh crap. Let's just skip to the end. I wish there's a way you could activate, like if they added redstone to the game. Like if it used to be in the game, I'd like that. I activate like tons of things at once. Bye! My fellow Americans, as your new president, we all know what's gonna happen, so let's just skip to the end. Let's bomb Iran. Yeah, we just skipped to the end. Look at my death list. Oh, I can move my arms. Me showing myself that I'm still hot. Wait, guys, there's also a cool thing, like, where RPGs. Like, see? Yeah, let's just skip to the end, guys. Oh, I can still watch it, even when I'm dead, bro. My fellow Americans, since I have now took office, let's just skip to the end. Yeah, that's what you get, little Timmy, for yelling you want to play minigames. Oh, you said it again? Okay, bet. Little Timmy, you turned almost half of my people to minigame skins. Okay, bet. That will deserve more nukes. Now they're coming to me, buddy. Now they're coming to me. Wait, but Loki, I'm gonna go into servers and get them nuked for life. Oh yeah, that's why there's so many people griefing in servers, because just buy one RPG and it lasts forever. Wait, bro, I'm low-key gonna bring a bag. I'm also gonna bring the super rich ones, so it looks better, you know that. Like and subscribe, or or little Timmy will show up to your house tonight. We'll just polish the end. Then bam. We're ready to be nuking people. Oh, get ready, Cooper. Get ready to be nuking the China. Oh my god!
What are you doing?
Oh my god, I'm literally nuking these. What a way to finish it off.
Everybody leave the server!
Everybody stay here. I'm gonna give you the ultimate RPG ending.
No, leave the server!
My fellow Americans, since I have now became president, may as well just skip to the end. My kings. My fellow Americans, since I am now president, let's just skip to the end. I'm lagging so much. RPG if you hate little Timmy. Oh my god, my king is so freaking laggy. My head's, I swear, you need some Steam Link stuff shit for this. That was totally family friendly, what I just said. RPG if you hate little Timmy. My help is about to get this soon. RPG if you hate little Timmy. You guys. So this is the platform you need to download H4KT.